If you are new to email marketing, then it can be a little bit daunting at first. There's so much to take on board. In this video, we're going to give you our surefire top 20 tips so that you can hit the ground running. Here at Email Blaster, we see thousands of campaigns sent out each week. With that in mind, we've put together our top 20 tips, and we're going to give you a rundown of those to get started quickly and easily. There are lots of great email marketing software platforms available all over the world. If you are new to email marketing, then sometimes it's nice to have the reassurance that friendly prompt support is close by. If you're a UK business, then it makes sense for you to look at a UK-based supplier with support that's easy to reach. Email marketing is not a numbers game. Often the temptation is to go out and buy lists of these type of email addresses. These are always more trouble than they're worth. They typically result in delivery issues and blacklisting of your company domain name. It's much better to start small and grow your list organically. With so many spam email campaigns being sent from free email addresses like Gmail and similar, it's really important to make sure that your emails stand out as being from a reputable company. This really helps to build trust with your target audience. The organisations that own free email domains typically will not let those addresses be used for commercial email marketing. Successful email marketing is all about building trust, and it really helps to do this if your recipients can see that your email marketing is from a real person, not a faceless organisation. Always use your name at rather than a generic such as marketing at. If you're using third-party software to send out your email marketing, then this one is really important. In order to get decent inbox placement, the spam filters will insist that this is in place. It involves adding a text record to the settings of your domain name. This provides a seal of authenticity to say that you are who you say you are. Your email marketing software provider can help you out completing this. In order to maintain decent inbox placement, then good list hygiene is a must here. If your email campaigns contain dead email addresses, these will bounce. It's really important to remove these. Any decent email marketing software will of course do all of this for you. In order to keep your bounces down to an absolute minimum, new email addresses added to your list need to be verified as being correct. This is done using a double opt-in sign-up process, so that the person wishing to join your list must first respond to an email that they receive. Following this process ensures that their address is correct and it works properly. Now, if you're a UK business, then you're required to follow GDPR. This law requires that you are storing your email lists outside of the UK, then all of these people need to be contacted and they need to agree to have their private data exported to another country. This is where it makes life so much easier to choose a supplier with UK-based servers. Then your email lists are perfectly GDPR compliant. When sending out your email, it's always prudent to check to see that it looks consistent on desktop and mobile. With more and more people using their mobile device to read emails as the first port of call, make sure that your design works on all manner of different screen sizes. When we say large, we're referring to both the pixel width and the file size. If your image is too wide, it may cause a horizontal scroll bar in some email readers. If your file size is too large, mobile device users may struggle to view it on slower cellular connections. Image issues can cause a huge spike in spam folder issues and unsubscribes. This one is often overlooked. We've all received email campaigns where it still says, type your subject headline here. Sometimes we all get wrapped up in the design and the layout of our campaign that we overlook the simple stuff. If your first mailer was really successful, or if you paid a lot of money for a design company to create you a template, the temptation is just to keep using it. By the logic of diminishing returns though, this really doesn't work. Your stats will get lower and lower with each send. Your target audience will expect to see fresh content with each send. No matter how much we all know about our business's demographic, A/B testing will always show us something that we can improve on. With A/B testing, you can split test different designs, calls to action, send times, send from address, subject header line. It's always worth taking the time to try different things. This is one that is so easy to overlook. Your email marketing is how you present your business to the outside world. Typos and spelling errors can really undermine all of your hard work here. Call to action is your instruction to your recipient to do something after they've reviewed your mailer. This call to action should be clear and in a prominent position. The most common reason why email marketing campaigns fail to convert is because of issues with the call to action. Most of us now are using mobile devices as the first port of call for reading emails. This means that the amount of text that you use in your mailer needs to be geared towards the smaller screen. It's well worthwhile being fairly brutal with your editing when it comes to using text. Nowadays, decent email marketing software gives you the ability to quickly and easily create glossy looking HTML mailers. Using drag and drop, you can do all of this without any knowledge of HTML. This doesn't mean that we should overlook a traditional plain text type letter though. Often a mix of the two approaches works really well. Personalisation is a great way to increase interactions with your target audience. Using Mail Merge, you can insert personalised fields of data from your mailing list. Using the recipient's name inside the mailer is a great place to start, but you can incorporate so much more. When you're starting out with email marketing, your first goal is to develop a strategy for adding new subscribers to your list. A great way to do this is via social media. Posting to your social media feed links to your sign-up forms is a great way to reach a lot of people. You can use social media to offer sign-up incentives, such as subscriber content or sales promotions. The best way to get the most out of email marketing is to send at regular intervals. What works for a lot of people is to send every fortnight, for example. By doing this, you're ensuring that you're sending fresh content all the time. Your interactions and conversions will steadily increase. Okay, that wraps up our top 20 beginners tips. Hopefully you found this video useful and taken away some ideas to try in your next campaigns. Thanks for watching, and be sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more content.